ensuring that ये fandom घर तक वापस ना जाए या फिर घर गंदा ना हो या कुछ नुकसान ना पहुंचे?
देखो, मैं बहुत भरोसा करती हूँ अपने फैंस पर, आप सब पर, शायद ज़रूरत से ज़्यादा करती हूँ। एंड ऑनेस्टली मैं बहुत भरोसा करती हूँ Airbnb पर। आई थिंक इट्स बिन सो मेनी इयर्स, they're known for their credibility, their immaculate sense of keeping the hosts and the visitors happy. So that relationship of trust is there. And yeah, I think as far as it comes to letting people in, like I said before, I think we as a family for a very long time were always exploring the idea of sharing this property with people. And and it just never fit before, but with Airbnb it did, because we've had great memories there, and it's the kind of space that we didn't feel like we needed to keep only to ourselves. It's a huge property, it's got a lot to offer, and हम सब मिल बांट कर खुशी खुशी साथ में रह सकते हैं ना। मैं भी जाती रहूंगी, आप भी आते रहो।
तो ऐसा भी कभी सरप्राइज मिलेगा फैन को कि उसने Airbnb बुक किया है और शायद जानवी भी उस समय रह
मैं
रही है
किचन में अंडे पका रही हूँ।
या आप कंटिन्यू रखेंगी उस घर में, यू नो ट्रैवल कर रही हैं अगर आप चेन्नई उस घर में रहना, और इज इट लाइक एक्सक्लूसिवली नाउ फॉर Airbnb?
It's not.
It's not.
It's not.
It's not exclusively with Airbnb. There's a deal that's been discussed and logged, but and we're all mutually happy with the
Yes.
agreement that we've come to. So
So
yeah.
what we have on offer is a chance for, two groups of two people maximum to stay in the beautiful home and, being welcomed by Janvi and going through what all Prasida just shared. In terms of your previous question around pricing, right? The beauty of Airbnb as a platform is that there is an Airbnb at every price point. So whether you're looking for an affordable option in a city, or if you're looking for a lavish luxury penthouse or vacation rental home, anywhere in the world, we have it all on the platform. For Icon specifically, because we understand how important it is for normal people to experience something that has always been in their imagination, what we have done is we have priced all Icon homes under $100. In fact, this home is not available for any price. It's available for free. People have to apply to get access in terms of being a guest, and based on certain inputs, we would then decide, and they get a golden ticket. And we have 4,000 golden tickets for all Icons throughout this year. So many new Icons will drop. A lot of people will get access to these unprecedented homes at a very low price or even $0. So it depends on each Icon, and the terms and conditions would be displayed on the Icon PDP listing when you see that. There will be a price in some, there will be free for some, there will be a mechanic that people will be able to read and then kind of access that particular listing. Yes.
Yeah, and I'm happy to share that the beautiful coastal home that we just saw, it's listed for ₹0. So it's a pleasure, like it's a opportunity for people to just go and enjoy and really live that moment. Like I said right at the beginning, we are making dreams come true, and this time with no price tag either. So yeah, it's going to be super, super exciting. I'm going to, on that note, wrap up this Q&A session. We're all going to be here, so if you have more questions, we can definitely catch up. I know Janvi has a lot lined up, so we're not going to keep her here for longer. But I can't thank you all enough for joining us. Janvi, I can't thank you enough for agreeing to be a part of our family. A very big special thank you to Mr. Kapoor as well, who has actually designed that home that you saw. I mean, we know how beautiful his movies are. Mr. India was always my favorite, but we also have now seen how fantastic he is with just making the homes look really nice. So really, really grateful to the entire Kapoor family for being so kind, so gracious, and partnering with us and being a part of this family. And on that note, I think we should pose for some pictures. Janvi, shall we?
Yes. Thank you so much. Should we go ahead of the lighters?
I think the lights.
कौन कौन
Thank you so much. Thank you, Janvi. Thank you so much, Aman. We have the refreshments ready at the Corner Cafe.